Welcome to our tutorial on line format. Let's begin by right-clicking. Select Line Format. First, let's select Sketch 1 and apply some color. Let's say red. Click OK. This button here is the Color Display Mode button. It lets us turn on and off the line format attributes with a single click. Now if I right-click and select Edit Sketch, we see that the sketch is still blue. Let's select this circle and change it to green. Again, we can change the color display mode by toggling the Color Display button. And let's exit our sketch. Now let's right-click and edit Sketch 2. I'm going to select this line. Let's change the line type to a dotted line. I'll change the line thickness as well. While I'm at it, let's change the color to red. Now exit the sketch. As you see, the sketch appears the same. Basically, the line attributes have been applied to the sketch entities, but not to the sketch features. And this concludes our tutorial on the line format toolbar.